here to present the short talk on the topic Swift programming language. I am Pratik Puram from introduction. Swift is a high-level general-purpose multi-paradigmized compiled programming language developed by Apple and the open source community. It was firstly released on 2014. Swift was developed as a replacement for Apple's earlier programming language like Objective-C, as Objective-C had been largely unchanged since the early 1980s and lacked modern language features. It was built with the open source LLVM compiler framework and has been included in Xcode since version 6, released in 2014. On Apple platforms, it uses the Objective-C runtime library, which allows Objective-C and C++ and Swift code to run within one program. History. Development of Swift started in July 2010 by Chris Latner with the eventual collaboration of many other programmers at Apple. Swift works with Apple's Coca touch frameworks, and a key aspect of Swift designs was the ability to incorporate with the huge body of existing Objective-C code developed for Apple products over the previous decades. Features. The features of Swift are closure support, string support, access control, optionals and chaining, value types, protocol-oriented programming, libraries, runtime and development, memory management, debugging, and other elements. Syntax. Here you can see the simple program of Swift. The variable A is equal to 1 and the variable B is equal to 1. In the condition if the A is equal to B, the output will be equal, else the output will be not equal. Here now the A is equal to B, therefore the output is equal. Advantages. It is specifically designed by a safer than C basic languages. Swift eliminates entire classes of unsafe code as a preventative measure and allows for cleaner code with fewer runtime crashes. Speed. Apple claims that search algorithms complete up to 2.6 times faster than Objective-C and up to 8.4 times faster than Python. Cross-platform, innovative and accessibility. Disadvantages. Smaller community despite its popularity, only 5% of developers use Swift. Misperception as Apple-only language, Swift can also appear to be pigeonholed as only an iOS Apple Mac language because of the smaller community and features designed for use with Apple products. Fewer language, not a reflective language. Applications. Swift is the result of latest research on programming languages combined with the decades of experience building Apple platforms. It is used in the Apple platforms like iOS, Mac, and iPadOS, iOS, extra named parameters are extracted in a clean syntax that makes APIs in Swift even easier to read and maintain. Conclusion. Overall, Swift is more desirable language to choose because it's safer, faster, and innovative and interactive. Swift has Objective-C interoperable, which means that Swift code can live alongside existing Objective-C files. With Swift, we will also have complete access to Objective-C APIs. Thank you.